She's a goat. Is that goat?
Good.
Say hi, goat.
She's a hey. Jump on down with you. Pet me. You get your goat.
I didn't realize that she liked goats so much. Hey, he's not done with you.
He's a hey.
Yeah. Oh, he's still. No, go get your own goat, Alexa. This is Sally's goat. Go
Right
pet
here.
Sally.
Right here, Sally's your goat.
Sally.
This is your goat right here.
It's like I am petting this guy.
Yeah, Sally, but you better. She's a, yeah. That's a
I
Sally.
love her.
Yeah, it's the biggest.
I like you guys.
Oh,
Yeah.
cute kisses. Oh, hi, Skylar. Ethan, you're neglecting your goat, Skylar. Here, hold on to Mama. Right here.
Skylar, what's your boy? Come here, buddy.
There's goats everywhere.
What's your boy?
Hi, Sally. Look, Aubrey. It's Sally.
Love has this guy.
Yeah.
Sally.
He's a,
Sky
Oh,
likes.
he's a lap dog, isn't he?
he is a lap dog. Look at this guy.
He likes. Why likes you?
Good
This guy.
Better to walk.
Come on.
Hey. Good job.
Let's walk.
I'll give you an apple.
Beep, beep. Watch out, Smarty. Whoa, Aubrey, go. Look how fast she's going. Whoa, look how fast you're going.
Go play with her. We go. Good job, Aubrey. I was just trying to chase you.
Oh, oh, she gave you a hug. Aubrey gave you a huggy. Oh. So you know what? Fine. I'll be cute even if you're not going to be. Oh, you should give her a kiss. Oh. Hey Alexa, say excuse me. Oh. No. Careful, you did. Whoa.
Careful, buddy. You made it fall over.
So I'm deciding whether I don't like this. Hi Alexa. That's one way of moving. They kind of remind me of a snake. Hello, Aubrey. Look at your big yes. Robbie, look. What's Alexa doing? Whoa. You gonna try that too, Ethan? Well, it's just better than running, I guess. You try to do that too, Aubrey? Now, what are they doing? John.
Yeah.
Benefits of having hardwood floor. Now, let me see. You know I should be cooking dinner, Aubrey. Should be making dinner, but you guys are having fun. What are you doing, boys? You trying to copy them? Dad just gonna come play with you. Brother wants you. Say play with you. grabs him. What are you doing? John, we need a referee for this tackling. We need a referee. We got a wrestling match. Oh, maybe careful, Aubrey. What's up? We need a referee. Okay, look, Dad. She's attacking me. Okay, she's attacking me. At accidental. Let Aubrey do what Aubrey wants to do. Oh, she's good. I'm getting used to this, Dad. She does controlled drops. Oh, nice. Yeah, there you go. Alexa, she picked it up, Alexa. Go, Abby. Go, go, go. Can you take over?
Good.
Sure, dinner.
Yeah, there. Okay. Come backwards. You got it. Yeah, you do it. You do. Yeah, got this. Yeah, I can do this. Got it. You got it. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Good job. Good job. Oh, you're gonna bonk your head here. Let's go that way. You're gonna bonk your head. There you go. Good job. Oh, yeah. Good job. Where are you going? Yeah.
Say hi. What do you see out there? What's out there?
Hi.
Hi. What you got? Oh, you see the neighbor's horsey out there? Yeah.
Look.
Wow. Did you see your goats too? Where'd your goats go? Yeah. Who's this guy?
Hi.
Tamari.
Go ahead and
Smile. Smile.
push your bum.
You want your doggy?
I'm busy.
What's that? That's a horse?
What do you want? You need something to me?
It's a chicken. This is a dog. And who's this guy? Right here. Just give her kisses. Give her kisses. Oh, she's trying to give you kisses, Dork. Over here. Come on. Over here.
Kisses. 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 Kisses.
No.
These two. They both of them like staring out the window together. That's a horsey out there. The horsey and your goats. The neighbor's pretty horsey. What you got there, boys? Ooh, is that tasty? Aren't those the best tasting chicken nuggets ever, Alexa? Don't tell your brother, but they're laced with vegetables. Don't tell Ethan, okay? Because Ethan doesn't like, because Ethan doesn't like vegetables. Unless they're on top of his chicken nuggets, huh, Ethan? They're good, Aubrey. Is that yummy? He's rocking. He's rocking. Is that good, Aubrey? So, John, someone suggested that we do a painting of these three kids sitting at their little table. Yeah. Well, we gotta wait till we get the new table, the wooden one. Cute. Hi, Abby. Hey, Alexa, sit back. What are you doing? Are you drawing? Let me see. Show me what you got, cute girl. Oh, you drawing a pretty picture? Let me see. Go ahead. Go ahead. Let me see. Try up here. Show Mama. Whoa, look at that. It's a magical wand. No, it only works on that paper. Right here. Do the barn. Hang out with your farm animals. Doing some farm drawing. Wow. Did I do that? Nice. It looks pretty fun, Aubrey. Oh, here's a kitty. It's a kitty. Meow. Say hi, Siam. Oh, you said his name. What's up, kitten? Yes, there is kids out there, Siam. And goats. And horses. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Ta-da! Oh, stretch. Hi. Oh, that's a good stretch. And a good flop. Hi. What are you doing? Are you hungry? You ready for your snack? Come here. What are you doing, monkey? Yeah, go stinky. Uh-oh. You need me to change your stinky? Oh, man. What? Got legs. Look at those legs. You ready? Come on, let's go then. Come on. Go change you. Let's go eat. Come here. Come here. Upsy daisy, stand up. Come here. Stand up.